here. To be honest, I was a little scared about going to witch school all by myself. My name's Akko. I've dreamed of being a witch ever since seeing Shiny Chariot's magic show when I was little. Actually, I bet it's destiny. You have heard of her, right? The Shiny Chariot? Heard? I won't hurt you. Icha! The forms!
Ending Luna.
Yes! Thank goodness you're safe! That was close.
Hey.
All right! I made it in time! It's a pleasure. It wasn't a dream after all. Yes, let's go! Yeah! Be fun has been. Then move! Stone statue! Sir, what? Rayleigh! Tia Rayleigh! Tia Rayleigh! Tia Rayleigh! Tia Rayleigh! Guys, look! It's Is I'm riding a broom! I know! So does that mean you're getting serious? All your dreams are finally coming true! What? Gus said, I can't even cheer it, fan. You know, therefore, I mean, you could... Anyway, I'm happy. All right! Just what do you...
You can't even ride a broom.
Emergency! There were these huge dragons, and they...
Into your rooms.
This affects you. All right! Mission begin! To rest upon ruin! Please don't eat me!
Enter.
What? I still have a... I'm not gonna... And the entire... Right. Metamorph motion! My name's Akko. Miss Akko, if you like. Katsuko Agari. I mean, Atsuko Kagari. Why don't you just call me Akko? Oh, yeah? So here. I think it's without a doubt the absolute best... Right! I can't be like Church. I'll show you some real tea. Bingo! I bid you open!
Of the and now.
I want to be a witch like Chin.
You'll be a Kagari.
Yes! Beautiful today. So vivid and like that. So thank me the volunteer, will ya? That really hurt. Huh?
So you don't need us.
Okay, I'll do it. Just help me find her again. I had no idea like her. Let's go cut.
Come from this.
Jeez, where in the world are you? Great, so we're...
I decided to call it.
The medicine that will take it. All of them. Okay. So some tea. Akko, what are your goes? So some tea. Headmistress.
It says right now, even if you were a noble, you still wouldn't be invited.
Aren't you meant to, Susie? Lotte?
No, because I really don't care.
Can we go now? We can! To the party!
Huh?
No matter what! Yeah! I'll take it!
What's going on?
I can... got it! I know it! Look at the Baho... You look really good.
I'm sorry, but
You're kicking me out? Are you? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
up to me with a kiss.
Huh? You do have your own... But I do have a dream. I'm gonna be a great witch. Just like Shiny Chariot. And anytime I think of chariot's warm smile, it makes the whole world shine bright. Oh, come on! Team Extreme! Don't you... This is getting just too... What's wrong with contacting him? There are just 2 more... Take this serious, you say so! Where'd he go? Huh? In no time. Huh?
So that just means we have to go.
That was Andrew. Give me that now.
Here.
Metamorphosious. So thanks. How exciting! Wait. Really? Whoa, that's. Ow. Want to make up for it. Oh, whoa. Hey, here you go. Jailbreak time. We're at. It's not like. Have you ever card together? Well, right? Okay. We did it! I'm so hungry. I really hope there's still food left in the cafeteria. Diana, the school. We can't let this happen. I don't get it. Quitting after coming. Don't just stay.
Speaking to you is in breach.
Yeah, well.
You're quite finished.
I wanted. But what is. Professor. Thank you, guys.
Once their power.
How do we... It's done! It was my classmate. For real? I'm gonna go find her. Hey, little guy. Aren't you a cutie? Really? That's so long. Chariot may have come here when she was at school. It's you. Please don't... I won't lose... You might not get the things that you dream of, but you can always get the things that you work for! Hello, Ollie! A Virgo! Now what should... I wanna be...
Be quiet.
Yes, ma'am. Huh? We're all here. Why don't we have our team meeting?